Hi everyone, and welcome back! Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful and delicate bracelet. It's simple, stylish, and perfect for gifting, selling, or just wearing as a handmade accessory. This project is beginner-friendly and can be finished in under an hour. For this bracelet, I'm using embroidery thread. This type of thread has 5 thin strands twisted together, which makes the bracelet soft yet durable. If you don't have embroidery thread, you can also use crochet cotton or thin yarn. Just make sure to choose a hook size that suits the thickness of your thread. A larger hook will give you a looser, more flowy bracelet, while a smaller hook keeps your stitches tight and neat. I'm using a 1.1 millimeter crochet hook, small enough for fine detail but still comfortable to work with. You'll also need 10 small beads, each about 2 millimeters in size. Before starting, make sure your 10 beads are already threaded onto your yarn. If you haven't done that yet, pause and do it now. If your beads are tiny and hard to thread, use a piece of folded wire or a fine needle to help you slide them onto the yarn. It'll save time and frustration. Make sure you also have scissors and a yarn needle for finishing at the end. Let's get started. Begin by making a slip knot and placing it on your hook. Now crochet a chain of 50 stitches. You can easily adjust the size of your bracelet by changing the number of chains. Just make sure the number is a multiple of 5. For example, use 40 chains for a child-sized bracelet or go up to 60 for a looser fit. Once you've chained 50, add 3 more chains. These are your turning chains and will help the next row sit nicely. Next, we'll start building the base. We're going to work half double crochets into each chain across. To do a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat that into every chain until you reach the end of the row. If your stitches look uneven, that's completely normal. Try to keep your tension relaxed and consistent. And remember, you can always unravel a few stitches and redo them. That's part of the learning process. When you're done, chain 2 and turn your work. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Like this, you want to do 5 times. Watch carefully how this part is done. Now it's time to add some sparkle. Now insert your hook between the stitches of your previous row. Work 3 single crochets, After that, chain 1 to give a little space before continuing. Now continue as before. Repeat this pattern until you've added all 10 beads or reached your desired length. Want to change up the look? Try using different colored beads or spacing them more randomly. You can even mix in decorative stitches. No 2 bracelets have to be the same. Now that we've completed the beaded section, let's finish the other edge of the bracelet to match. Turn your work, and this time crochet 1 row of half double crochets into every stitch across. This gives the bracelet a symmetrical edge and helps it hold its shape. Once you reach the end of the row, cut your yarn, leaving a small tail about 3 to 4 inches long. Use a yarn needle or your hook to weave in the loose ends neatly. Now tie both ends of the bracelet together with a secure knot to form a closed loop. If you want a more professional finish, you can sew on a small button to one side and create a loop with thread on the other for an easy open-close clasp. Handmade bracelets like this can last a long time if you take care of them. Avoid getting them wet too often. If it gets dirty, gently hand wash them with mild soap and let it air dry flat. And that's it! Your gorgeous, handmade crochet bracelet is complete. It's lightweight, customizable, and perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, leave a comment to tell me what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative crochet projects. Until next time, happy crocheting!